Dual B Balm. Properties: Dual Monarda and the Turpentine of the Siberian Cedar is a unique combination of two components. The range and strength of their impact on the human body is multiplied when the joint effect. Oleoresin is able to restore vital energy after mental stress and physical stress. Cedar resin has a bioenergetic properties, due to which it is able to restore the health of body cells and bring them to the level of normal life. An effective tool in the acidification of the body. Prolonged exposure of the body in stage of acidification leads to the formation of conditions for development of many diseases. The majority of such chronic diseases as cancer, diabetes, rheumatic diseases, headaches, migraines, muscle stiffness, allergic conditions associated with the disturbance of acid-alkaline balance in the body. Antioxidant property: Monarda is in slowing down oxidation processes.